Good afternoon, all. This is Santosh from Automation Edge. We are going to present our DocEdge as a AI-based document processing platform that is created specifically for BFSI sector as a independent and universal document processing platform. As a part of a problem statement in India as well as globally in the world, intelligent document processing market is growing at a 30% CAGR. And as per the Fortune Business Insights, this is the data where currently there is a market size of $7 to $8 billion for intelligent document processing, which will reach to more than $30 billion in next 5 years. The document processing is the critical problem across industries, not only in BFSI, but in other industries also, including manufacturing or FMCG industry, and across the functions, be it operations or the support functions. The key challenges is about handling the data, the accuracy of documents, data extraction, then identifying fraudulent data, manipulation of data into the documents, then processing high volumes of documents. This is the typical problem that is faced in countries like India. And that's where we try to create a solution as a fintech based solution based on AI technologies for different types of document processing. So as a stage, these documents are processed at the different levels, right from data ingestion till the data insights in a complete agentic way without any human intervention. So I will just run a short video to show our product capabilities. This is the orchestration platform which runs by the AI bots. Any type of documents or images can be uploaded or it can be in a scheduled manner where robot will pick these images and it will simply process this data. So this is one of the sample like any invoice image or different types of documents related to KYC, insurance related documents, claims related documents that can be processed. A AI agent will extract this data with 80 to 90% accuracy for handwritten documents, and for system generated documents we provide accuracy in range of 90 to 95% into the first launch itself. Along with that, we provide a complete visibility for inspection, validation of data on the same orchestration platform, as well as the outputs can be ingested to the target systems through JSONs or through APIs. So that becomes the end-to-end solution as a part of document processing. About the scalability and how this solution can be deployed. So we have different options available for our customers. Customer has a choice to deploy it completely on-premise as per the regulators guidelines, or it can be a hybrid model where the main applications will be residing into the clouds, as well as the AI bots or the other bots will be able to deploy it on your on-premise environment. So that becomes a hybrid option, as well as we can provide a fully cloud environment for customers depending on their business needs or the data security policy. From a scalability perspective, AI agents will be able to run on a single machine into horizontal as well as vertical scalability. So one AI agent will be able to process multiple images into multiple threading through a Java-based hyper-threading technology. So that's where we bring the productivity at least 3 to 4 times as compared to the normal software robots. That's the scalability aspect. In terms of target market segment, we understand these particular solutions is a need of industry, specifically into banks, financial services companies, housing finance companies, utility companies, FMCG, as well as in government organizations. And apart from that, this is used in functions like finance accounts, where large number of documents are processed normally by the human agents in accounts department. So that's what the target segment is. To give you a small glimpses about the competitive differentiation, so accuracy I already told. This Automation Edge DocEdge platform will be able to handle different types of structured, semi-structured, as well as unstructured document that are handled in operations team as well as in branch operations of financial institutes. We can process handwritten documents, multilingual data extractions can be done apart from system generated English documents. So for all type of Indian vernacular languages as well as some foreign languages like Arabic, European or East Asian languages, that also we will be able to process. And this platform is running with no model training. So with a single or couple of documents also we'll be able to create a workflow for processing documents, and the development time will be hardly same day or 1 day or 2 day. That's what is the time customer will need to get this solution readily deployed. And with the user interface for checkers, there is a possibility of fully data validation verifications through a human agent as a human in the loop system. As a business model, we have identified the customer segment basically into BFSI because of our core competency working with BFSI for providing automation solutions. And the second target segment is the government organizations. As a value proposition, we provide highest accuracy with a universal agent which acts as the software bot with the AI capabilities. A distribution channel set up with us is the implementation partners as well as our existing customers and our direct sales and marketing teams. Revenue stream, we have a revenue stream with a platform cost as a one component, and second is the consumption based costing as a second component. So these are the two simple transparent costs. In terms of cost models, it is the subscription based cost as well as the consumption based cost. These are readily available solution that we have created for different industries in banks, financial services, insurance companies. Through a AI based agentic solution, we are able to process different types of customer onboarding journeys or trade finance journeys or the claims processing journey for BFSI. As a growth strategy, we have focused on market penetration, market development, and the product development and R&D. This is the core team of Automation Edge, which is consistently working since last 7 to 8 years, providing BFSI-based solutions. That's all about our product with the scalability as a document processing platform for BFSI industry. This is the full view of Universal Hyper Automation Platform. Thank you for your time, and I would like to take any questions from jury or the
Yes.
audience.